DeFiLlama's Aster Relisting raises transparency fears amid black box data concerns. Aster, DeFi, transparency, journalist, Hassan Shittu, journalist, Hassan Shittu, about author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, October 20, 2025. DeFi data aggregator DeFiLlama has quietly reinstated perpetual futures exchange Aster on its analytics platform, weeks after delisting it over concerns about unverifiable trading data. The relisting has reignited debate over transparency in decentralized markets and the growing influence of data platforms in shaping perceptions of legitimacy. Aster, a decentralized exchange backed by figures linked to former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao through YZi Labs, was delisted on October 5 after DeFiLlama detected suspicious trading volumes that closely mirrored Binance. Co-founder YZi said at the time that Aster's data correlated almost perfectly, at times nearly 1:1, with Binance perpetual pairs, such as XRP/USDT and ETH/USDT. Because DeFiLlama could not access underlying order-level data to distinguish between legitimate trading and potential wash activity, the team decided to remove Aster's metrics temporarily to preserve data integrity. At the time, YZi emphasized that the decision was about protecting users who rely on DeFiLlama's analytics to make investment decisions. "We couldn't verify the data," he wrote, noting that the correlation patterns appeared extreme across multiple trading pairs. While neither DeFiLlama nor Aster has provided detailed reasons for the recent relisting, there has been a surge in criticism that the lack of disclosure risks trust in data integrity across the DeFi ecosystem, especially as billions in total value locked depend on accurate metrics. Aster silently relisted on DeFiLlama despite ongoing data verification dispute. During Aster's initial removal, some users accused DeFiLlama of centralization and bias, while others defended the decision as necessary to maintain transparency standards. The controversy showed a recurring issue in decentralized finance, which is how to ensure data accuracy in an ecosystem designed to minimize oversight. Aster has now reappeared on DeFiLlama, once again leading perpetual trading charts. Dragonfly managing partner Hasib Qureshi drew attention to the silent relisting on X, noting gaps in Aster's historical data and the lack of a public announcement. Responding to him, YZi said DeFiLlama still could not verify Aster's figures, describing the situation as a black box. He added that the team was developing a new framework to include more data metrics, but that Aster's team had requested to be relisted in the meantime. The decision means Aster's data is once again visible, though its previous trading history remains fragmented. For analysts and traders, that gap complicates comparisons of long-term metrics such as market share, cumulative volume, or fee revenue. In practical terms, the missing data resets Aster's on-chain footprint, making it difficult to analyze growth patterns or identify trends. Despite those data gaps, Aster continues to post dominant figures. As of this week, it tops DeFiLlama's 24-hour and 7-day perpetual trading volume charts, surpassing competitors like Hyperliquid and Lighter. According to DeFiLlama data, Aster recorded $15.16 billion in 24-hour volume and $3.33 billion in open interest, with $76.65 billion in 30-day trading volume. However, the reliability of those figures remains under scrutiny. No transparency, no trust. Aster's airdrop delay deepens transparency rift. Aster's growing influence in the DeFi space is being overshadowed by mounting scrutiny over its data integrity and communication practices. On October 11th, the project postponed its Genesis Stage 2 airdrop after identifying potential data inconsistencies. Originally planned for October 14th, the event was delayed to October 20th to verify user allocations. The team promised adjustments where necessary, acknowledging user complaints about inaccurate results from its airdrop checker tool. Community reactions to both the delisting and relisting have been polarized. One user on X, @PancakeKiku, criticized DeFiLlama's silence, saying that people only do stuff silently when they know they are wrong. Another, at X7H___, said the quiet reinstatement with no statement, no transparency reflected hostility toward competition. Others argued that DeFiLlama faces an impossible task in policing fake data, suggesting the better approach is to report available information and let users interpret it themselves. The controversy has broader implications for the DeFi ecosystem. As more investors depend on third-party analytics to gauge protocol health, questions of accuracy and accountability become increasingly important. Meanwhile, Aster continues to push ahead with new offerings. The exchange recently announced lower trading fees for all stock perpetual pairs, cutting taker fees from 0.2% to 0.1% and maker fees to 0, and completed a 100 million Aster token buyback. Still, the project's token has fallen sharply, down 18.9% over the past week and more than 40% over the past 2 weeks. Now trading at $1.19, around 50% below its all-time high of $2.41. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL. Live major online platforms face outages amid AWS disruption. Coinbase among those affected. Ethereum price prediction. Examining on-chain metrics after ETH posts solid 24H and 7D gains. XRP price prediction. Ripple's new $1 billion deal could put XRP at the center of Fortune 500 payments. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. On-chain accumulation hits 6-year low. What does the supply squeeze mean for BTC? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring, according to Lunar Crush metrics. 5 hours ago, by Hongji Feng. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who scored $160 million in BTC route opens $76 million Bitcoin short at 10x leverage. 20 hours ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1st, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 8 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 8 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 8 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.